Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed your house with guidance. You're Muslims, you pray, you come here to the masjid, walillahi alhamdu wal minna. Allah has shown you right from wrong. You know, you have guidance. And wallah, sometimes you don't know what guidance is. Like you don't know the fadl of Allah Rabbul Izzah upon you for guidance. Can I give one rude, simple example? Because I've got young ones sitting in front of me. Like at the very least, the Quran taught you personal hygiene. Like the deen taught you personal hygiene. You know, when you go to the bathroom, wash. Like that is something 80% of the population are struggling with. Because they use a toilet paper, walk out and think it's done. And if you put mud on this cloth here and toilet paper it, you'll see a stain mark here. That's not done, sweetheart. You gotta wash it. Do you understand me? Like there's guide. That's as simple as I can make it. Like even that, in 2020, people are still struggling with basic hygiene and forget about finding their Lord. Way off. So when I say Allah has given you guidance, introspect and think from the smallest to the biggest. Allah and His Prophet taught you how.